Hello everyone. Today we have to solve exercise 5.1. In previous video we have to know what are the shapes. First of all, we have to know what are curves or how many types of curves are given and how many types of vertices, adjacent sides and the polygons are given. Okay, on the basis of this we have to find the solution of exercise 5.1 and there are 5 questions. The first question is that determine whether the given curves are open or closed. Only you have to identify some figures are given in this question and only you have to identify which figure is open curve and which is a closed curve. Identify open or closed curve. Some questions are given. First is spiral is given. And here 4 figures are given and you have to identify which are open and which are closed. Okay, look at that. If you have to start from this point and after some time it will be rotated from this point again, then this is known as a closed curve. It's starting and ending both points are same position, then it is known as a closed curve. Look at that, its starting point is here and its ending point is here. It means it is not a closed, it is open curve. And this is a closed curve, right here closed. And this is also, its starting point is here and its ending point is here. Both have a different position, it means that is a open curve. Open curve. The next question, question number 2, it is given, which of the following are polygon? Which of the following are polygon? Again 4 diagrams are given. In first place it is given which type of diagram is that? Polygons means a closed figure which is bounded by minimum 3 line segments. It is known as a polygon. Look at that, how many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line segments are there, it means it is a quadrilateral. Then next figure is given. This is a circle. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 line segments are there, it means it is a pentagon. Only you have to write the name, identify which type of polygon is there, and only you have to write the name of the polygon. First you have to draw these figures and below you have to write the name. Then this type of curve is given. Polygons means only which are bounded by the line segment only. But here two curves are given and these, that is a line segment, it is given, so it is not a polygon. It is a closed curve, but it is not a polygon. And the last one is given. One, two, three line segments are given. It means it is a triangle. Then question number 3, give an example for the daily life for each of the following. Curved boundary, only you have to write an example. Choose the example from your daily life. Linear boundary, polygon, not a convex polygon. Do question number 3 itself and see question number 4. Identify the position of the point with respect to the curve. Identify the position of point with respect to the curve. With respect to the curve. This one, the first one is given and the point is given here. C point is given here. Means you have to write, you have to identify from where the point is given. Okay? The point C, look at the point C is given interior of this closed figure. It means it lies interior of this figure. Right here, point C lies interior of point C lies interior region. Interior region. And the next one is given this type of figure is. And point B is given here. Means point B is lies outside of this figure. It means it lies exterior of this region. Point D, right here, point D lies exterior of this region. Otherwise, point D lies exterior region. Then C part, third figure, third diagram is given. In this diagram, a triangle is given and 2 points are given. Triangle and 2 points. 1 point is given here and it is E. It is E point and the next point is given here, G point. Identify where the point E and G lies. E lies on the boundary of this figure and G lies exterior region of this figure. Right here, point E lies on the boundary of this triangle, this region point G lies exterior of this region. Exterior of this region. Okay, then the last part is given. Square type diagram is given. And here 3 points are given. A is given inside the diagram, B is given outside the diagram, C is given on the boundary of the diagram. It means you have to write as it is. A lies interior of this, A lies its interior region, B lies its outside region, and C lies on the boundary of this square. Point A lies interior region, point B lies exterior region, and the point C lies on this boundary of this figure. It means right here point C lies on the boundary of the square. Okay. The last question is, in this question some polygons are given and you have to identify the given polygon and write their name. Name the polygon shown below. Also say if they are regular or irregular. Name the polygon and identify which of the following are regular and which are irregular. Which type of figures are known as regular? Regular means a type of figure in which number of sides and number of angles are same. The length of the sides and the number of the sides are same. These type of figures are known as regular polygon. If they are not equal in size, then we call it irregular. If the number of angles, their measures are not same, then we can say that these type of polygons are irregular shapes. Okay, then some polygons are given here and you have to identify which of the name of the polygon and which type of polygons are regular or irregular. The first is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. Look at that, there are 5 sides and on measuring the angles, on measuring the side, it is a regular polygon. It is a regular polygon. So you have to write first, you have to write a name. The name is pentagon. Pentagon, and it is regular. Okay, the next one is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Octagon, the name is octagon, and it is regular. And the last one is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The name of the last figure is heptagon, and it is also regular in shape. Okay. So hope you have to understand how can we have to solve exercise 5.1. Then on the basis of this video and the given PDF, you have to solve all the questions in your CW copy, and the questions which are not given in your PDF, solve in your SW copy. Okay.